174 new and replacement trees are now being planted around the city. This includes a variety of tree species that are suitable for the environment.
And that helps build up more resiliency to insects and disease and other natural problems that trees may have.
And you may not even realize when these trees appear, but they're planting them in areas that will have the biggest impact to residents.
Whether it's in a park along a trail or it's a center boulevard median, those trees will provide shade and a cooling effect to help reduce the overall urban heat island.
As they plant a tree near the square, one local business owner points out how it also spruces up the downtown area.
I think it's an amazing initiative that the City of Denton is doing to help beautify the town, and I'm looking forward to watching it grow.
But other trees that may be seen on your daily commute serve a greater purpose than beautifying.
You actually have a traffic calming effect when you have trees that are planted on center medians combined with some that are planted on the edges of streets because it closes that space up.
And planting all these trees now will help our city thrive environmentally and economically for generations to come.
We also want to think about our kids and our kids' kids so that we continue to have a treed city and a nice tree canopy here in Denton.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.